Welcome to Fun and Easy Kitchen Utensils Guide, Part 5, presented by UnivShow. Let's explore more day-to-day utensils that are super useful in the kitchen. First up, we have the pizza cutter. The spell is P-I-Z-Z-A pizza, C-U-T-T-E-R cutter. It slices your pizza into perfect pieces, making it easy to share and enjoy. Next is the jug. The spell is J-U-G. A jug is a container with a handle used for pouring water, juice, or any drink easily. For a better understanding, you can check out the pictures of these tools as well. Now, let's talk about the kettle. The spell is K-E-T-T-L-E. A kettle is a pot used to boil water for tea or coffee, so you can enjoy your favorite hot drinks. Next, we have the refrigerator. The spell is R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R. A refrigerator is a big cold box that keeps your food fresh and safe for longer. Now, let's look at the pressure cooker. The spell is P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E pressure, C-O-O-K-E-R cooker. A pressure cooker is a pot that cooks food quickly using steam, saving time in the kitchen. And finally, we have the mortar. The spell is M-O-R-T-A-R. A mortar is a bowl used for grinding spices or herbs with a pestle, perfect for making fresh seasonings. If you missed Part 1, 2, 3, and 4, make sure to check them out. You'll find the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. For more kitchen utensils tips and guides, visit UnivShow. See you in the next video.